Meaning of flippant.
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 Flippant. Flippant means treating serious matters with a lack of respect or seriousness. It suggests a disrespectful or shallow attitude towards important issues and can be seen as insensitive or thoughtless. People who are flippant may make jokes or dismissive remarks in situations where it would be more appropriate to show concern or sensitivity. Overall, being flippant is not viewed positively and can be damaging to personal and professional relationships. It's important to recognize when a situation calls for seriousness and to respond appropriately with empathy and understanding.